how to use or how to get Dune chat theme on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Dune chat theme on Instagram message. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure that you update your Instagram application from Play Store or Google Play Store, and then after that what you need to do here, you have to go to uh, Instagram. This is my official Instagram account, and then now let me just click on the messenger icon on the top right corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So let me just select one particular message, chat message, and then what you need to do here, you have to click on the particular name, and then here you can see the theme option. Simply tap the theme, and here you can see Dune. Simply tap here and then just go back, and you can see here this is the Dune chat theme. I hope it's very pretty cute or pretty cool. And if you want to change this, just go to the same, click on the field option, and then here you can see it has been changed. Just click here, go to this and Dune option, go back. Now guys, I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you really liked it, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.